what's up? I'm going to show you how to play Memory on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So for this song, you're going to be in standard tuning with your capo on 1. The chords you'll need are A minor, F, C, and G. A minor is played open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. Open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. You mute that top string though. And then you move it to F, open, open, 3, 2, 1, open. Mute that top string or grab the 1. Muting it's easier. Just strumming these higher strings. So yeah, A minor, F, and then C is open, 3, 2, open, 1, open. Also muting that top string again. Right? So A minor, F, C, and then to G, you just move your ring and middle right here. So 3, 2, open, 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 3. And those are the 4 chords you're gonna need for the entire song. Strumming pattern is just down, slap, down, down, slap, 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 down, 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 down. Slower is just down, slap, down, down, slap, switch, down, slap, down, down, slap, switch, down, slap, down, down, slap, switch, down, down, down. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time around, just replay the video. You'll get it.